Hello, I'm Scott from NALA Bushcraft. Today we're going to make and use char material. I'm going to take a rag, cut it up into little bits and pieces. Why a rag? Well, it saves on your clothes for one. I'm cutting them down to about 1-inch squares, maybe 3-inch. The bigger the material, the easier it is to catch a spark. Why char material? Because it catches a spark and it'll catch your tinder on fire if you know how to use it right. Char material is the most basic form of fire making. It's easy to use, easy to get going. This is a hands-on demonstration, so just like the man said, bear with me. Inside this tin can is a little hole. This is going to start smoking here in a little bit. While that's smoking, I have some char material already made. Make sure you're wary of the fire triangle. You need a heat source. You need oxygen. You need a spark. You need a chemical reaction. There's different types of char material. I'm using a towel because it works great. If it's smoking, it's cooking. When it quits smoking, it has to cool before you can touch it, and it will be blacker than ace of spades when it's done. So for demonstration purposes, you can do this with flint and steel. Today, to save time, we're cooking it over this rather than See the spark? I can add to my tinder. I can lay that down. Then I can lay my fire making material on top. Instant fire, instant gratification, instant heat. Use it safely, only in designated areas. Only use it for heating, or if your life depends on it, or if you're just sitting around watching campfire TV. It'll give you something to do while you're waiting around, and you can make your char material on top of the fire. When it's, like I said, when the smoke is cooking, we have more we can add to it. This will burn. I can keep adding stuff and add stuff to it. Here's raw rag with Vaseline on it. It will last about 5-10 minutes. I'm going to show you how easy it was to catch a spark again. I just leave my ferro rod on there. That's it. Then I add my tinder, like I said, and you're good to go. It's the most basic fire starting material a bushcrafter knows how to do. We're just going to sit here and wait for the char material. We'll see when it's done. It's going to go from this to this. You'll be able to catch a spark, and from your spark to your tinder, and from your tinder to your fire. But use it safely, use it responsibly, use it with sense enough to know that you can make it yourself. Let it cool. Let it cool, don't touch the can. To speed up the process, I'm going to do something dumb. I'm going to take my ferro rod, go from the two sides, put it on the ground, and dump it over, smother it, and let it cool. After about a minute, it'll be cold enough for me to touch it, open it, and show you the done result. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's why these cans work great. There's a char material. Black and ready to go. Now it's made. I'm going to put the good stuff in here so it stays dry, ready to use. We're going to take the stuff and test it. Make sure it works. It works. We're gonna make a fire with it. Fire. Why NALA Bushcraft videos? Because we're trying to save a life. I want to show you how it is to be out here in the woods responsibly, with much thought and care meticulously put into it, so you don't get hurt, so you don't get lost, so you know what you need in order to make it out in case you do get lost. And we want to make this fun. We want to make educational videos so you have an idea how to come out here and do things.